And here we are on the passenger side of my 77 C10, and I'm about to start welding in the kick panel replacement. And just wanted to take a quick first video. This is basically, it's about ready to go in. I've got all the rosette, the holes for the rosette welds drilled and ground smooth, and got the welds here on the portion of the inner rocker panel and the floor brace. That's all ready to get welded onto, and same here on the inside. And I'm about to start welding. And you can see here I've got my patch panel prepped, and I'll go ahead and put it in. And here it is, all clamped in place. I can't stress enough that you really cannot have too many clamps on this. I'm going to be moving these around as I weld it. But there you go, it's ready to be welded. We've got a nice, lines up real nice here with the original pinch weld seam, and it lines up nice here at the floor, so it's ready to get welded. And there's the kick panel all welded in place, all the way around on the bottom. Got up here on the front, and I want to show you a couple things. Let's see if this will do this. You can see here, this is my floor, and you can see the gap in there. I have not welded this pinch weld seam on my floor to the kick panel yet, and I'm going to wait and do that when I install the floor pans, because right now it still moves up and down, and so I don't know exactly what the right position is, so I'm going to wait and weld that later. Also, I wanted to show you in here a mistake that I just made. Hopefully you can see it. There, it's kind of showing up, but you can see the gap between the original metal here and the new kick panel here. Basically what happened is the heat warped it. The original metal sunk in going that way, and this new piece flared out. And what I should have done is use that big box of self-tapping sheet metal screws I got and put a few in there to clamp the two pieces together, because it's real wide there, so it's hard to get a clamp on there in this area. So that's where the sheet metal screws would have come in real handy. But I'm okay with it. It'll get covered up by the plastic trim pieces. But I just wanted to document it and show you what not to do, and more specifically what to do, which is, like I said, put your self-tapping sheet metal screws in there. But that's it, and now we're gonna move on to installing the floor. If you remember from the videos I took doing the driver's side, there's a little lip on the floor piece that sits on top of this inner rocker panel, so the floor needs to go in before the outer rocker panel can go on. And also, you keep your outer rocker panel handy and be checking the fitment of it as you're doing all this work. As you're welding in the kick panel and all that, you need to keep checking and make sure that the fitment, all the fitment areas, front and back, are still good.